Hi, my lovely bakers, welcome. I have some amazing news for you today. I am doing my first free webinar to show you how to make the most amazing chocolate and raspberry mousse cake. We're gonna learn everything from scratch. If you have never baked before, I'm gonna show you how to make super easy chocolate fluffy sponges. I'm also gonna show you how to make vanilla raspberry cream, which is amazing, super, only few ingredients. Then we're gonna make chocolate light fluffy mousse, which is incredible, one of my favorites. And again, doesn't contain that many ingredients, and I'll show you how easy it is to make that. I will also show you how to make raspberry fruit confit, which means a raspberry center made purely with raspberries. Now this cake tastes incredible. It's amazing because it has all these natural ingredients. You know exactly what you're going to be putting inside this cake, and trust me, if you're going to make it, which you will after watching the webinar, your whole family, your friends, your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband are going to be shocked, because this type of cake sells for around $200, and that's how much I sell my cakes for, because they have tested quality recipes. The combination of flavors work amazing, and on top of that, it's all natural. We're not adding anything in there that we don't want. So all the procedure and ingredients are just amazing. And now you can learn how to make this beautiful cake completely for free. Now I'm doing my free webinar 2nd of August, okay? So you have to just register through the link down below. I will also include the link just up here so you can click and register. It's completely free. You will get an email sent with a confirmation, so do check your email once you've registered to make sure you got the confirmation. Otherwise, just message me and I will make sure you're in the registration and you will be attending this free webinar. On top of that, everyone who attends are going to get extra bonuses and some special gifts from me. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love to give more than I always even say, because I believe in giving a lot of value to my members, to my subscribers, to my followers, so that you feel my energy, you feel my love for baking, and then you can kind of get that energy and then go home and believe in yourself that you can make this as well, which you will, because like I said, I'll show you step by step in this webinar how to make this beautiful cake. So what are you waiting for? Sign up. I can't wait to see you in class. Get ready, get your cup of coffee, get your notes. I will show you exactly how you're going to do it. And then we will send you the PDF recipe with all the ingredients to only registered participants. So if you're not registered and you haven't watched the webinar, you're not going to be able to get this recipe just because you're not going to be able to make it. It's important that you watch the webinar as well as have the ingredients and then be able to make this. Guys, I'm so excited to see you in my webinar, and until then,